How to delete all pictures, objects or shapes in Excel. In this video, I am going to show you the scenario that let's say you have inserted the pictures and by accident you have inserted a lot of them and now you want to get rid of them. So what you're trying to do is just deleting this one by one, but it can take a huge amount of time. As you can see that there are a lot of pictures that are wrongly inserted. So what we can do is just do nothing, just press Ctrl G on your main sheet, just go to the special and select objects here, and it will select all the pictures for you as you can see, and just hit delete one time and see the magic happening. So guys, this is a pretty straightforward video and I hope it will be very useful for you and very time saving. And if it was, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks that you can see on Excel here. Also, if you want to join our full course, you can see the description link of the playlist and this course as well from the description. So just check that out and I will see you in the next one.